guys, and welcome back to the last Empties video of 2024. Granted, it's not as epically huge of one as they typically are, since usually I let a few months add up, but I also wanted to, clear it out, end of the year, and since I mostly have a full bag anyway here, May is freaking well. The last one I did was, mid-November, so I already have one new empty just since the start of the year. We're only on day 5 of the year so far. So just saying, I need to empty this so I can stick that new one in here and keep track of what was used up when. So anyway, without further ado, we've got the Ipsy Refreshments Pearly Body Wash in Ginger Splash. I only had the one bottle of it. I don't think they even sell it anymore, do they? Is Ipsy Refreshments even still a thing? Let me know in the comments down below, because I don't think it is. I'm gonna double check, because I think they only, sell one thing on there, and it's not that. I am double checking right now, because I'm like, I don't believe it still exists, unless they're doing a revamp and coming back. Yeah, I think they maybe still do the razors, and that's about it, which is really depressing. Huh. Anyway. So I also finished off my Tazo Butterscotch Blondie tea. Was a little depressed to find out they don't make it anymore, so once I polished it off, I couldn't buy another box. It was good. There is no more. That's that. I also finished up my Garnier Fructis Color Shield color protecting conditioner. It feels like there's something in here, but only because there's still some water stuck in the cap, and I keep, I can see the water sloshing around. So anyway, I did not use it at the same rate as the shampoo, and it was one of those things where once my hair started to fade down some, I was using this and the, what is it, the Color Me Happy by whatever brand does that one, just because I didn't care so much because it was already freaking faded. I just redid it yesterday. It is beautiful, so I'll be using the good stuff on it again while it's still vibrant, but when it's faded down, I kind of, use this crap, so anyway. I do have more of it. The shampoo is nearly gone too, but it didn't quite get finished by the end of the year, but anyway. I also finished my Stash Earl Grey tea, very yummies. I think I have more of that somewhere. As always, another bottle of Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. Yes, there's technically a drop in there. I shook this every which way, could not get it out, tried to pry off that cap, could not get it off. We're calling it a day. I already have its replacement. I don't have to fight for the last few drops of it. It's not that dire. But yeah, this one, I always keep this stuff on hand, because I go through it like water. So I used up my little sample size of the Humphreys Witch Hazel alcohol-free toner with rose, and I liked it so much that I not only bought the full size of it, I may have been bad and bought the full sizes of the entire damn line. So I'm good on toner for a long freaking time right now, you know? Because I realized I was down to, my last few toners, period. Don't ask me how I whipped through all of them without noticing, so now we are restocked and good to go again for probably at least the next year, if not the next 2, so. Used my Neutrogena Body Clear Body Wash, the pink grapefruit one. Already replaced. Not much to say there. As always, some toothpaste. My usual Colgate Sensitive Prevent and Repair. Again, not much to say, it's freaking toothpaste. Finally finished off that Spascriptions Cucumber Gel Face Mask. It was nice, but it's used up, and I have another in its place. Not of the cucumber, I have the silver one now, so. Used up my Bath & Body Works Winter Candy Apple Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. I think I have more of this somewhere in the same scent. Don't know if I ever got around to reviewing it. Let's find out! To the Instagram! Candy, apple, not bad speed for just one hand. Okay. Gloss body cream. I haven't. Okay, note to self, next time I open another one in this scent, review the damn thing. I thought I did that one. It's so basic, I thought I did that one. God damn it, self. Whatever. Finished up my native deodorant, warm cider, and cinnamon. I am so glad that that is used up because it didn't work worth a damn on me. Finished up my little sample size of the Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. Upgraded to the full size of it, which is now in my shower and has already been used like 3 times. And I also bought full size of the Cherry Blossom variant that I didn't know was a thing. Finished up this EOS Shea Better Hand Cream in Coconut. It was lightly scented enough to where even I, hella allergic to coconut me, was able to use this without much of any issue at all. And finally, finished up another Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops Serum. Its replacement is now in the skincare fridge and in use. I think it's my last one though at this point, so I'll have to make the decision, do I want to invest in more after that, or do I want to just start working through my stash, because I have so many serums to use, and I'm like, can I really justify buying more of this when I have like a whole cube of serums to use up? Yeah, probably not. I should hold off on buying more of that. So like I said, nothing crazy. Those were the last empties of 2024. Onward and upward into finishing off more stuff in 2025. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel, you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.